Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Great Dane 45 foot by 102 steel wood. Beautiful unit, folks. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Excellent deck on the wood condition. Excellent beam condition. As I said, turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Excellent condition on the kingpin plate. As you can see, the underside has been blasted. All the cross members have been repainted. As we come down the driver passenger side, we have brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. Tire condition is 80% to new. Brake condition and drum 80% to new. Refurbed steel outer rim. Universal mounting kit on the back of this unit. We'll carry a Moffett and Princeton, many other brands. Just let us know what you have or what you're looking for. We probably have it in stock. Driver's side refurbed outer rim. Excellent tire condition, 80% to new. Brand new buyer's toolbox on the driver's side. Beautiful unit, 45 by 102, universal mounting kit. This is Equipment Remarketing, 99lifts.com. Our phone number is 260-238-4998. Give us a call, take a look at our trucks, trailers, and forklifts available for sale.